How to get private key on SafePal. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get private key on SafePal. To do so, first of all, open your SafePal application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the very top, you'll be able to see your wallet name. Tap on this wallet name to access your wallet management option. Here, right next to your wallet name, you will be able to locate three dots icon. Tap on the three dots icon and then you will be presented with your wallet details section. Here you will be able to locate export private key option. Simply tap on this option and a pop-up will appear. Here it says never disclose your private key because anyone with your private keys can steal any assets held in your account. Simply tap on the confirm button and here you will need to select a specific wallet for which you would like to view the private key. Here I am selecting Bitcoin. You can select based on your preference. Once you select it, here you will be prompted to enter your security password to proceed further. Enter your security password here and then you will be taken to a new page. Here you will be presented with your private key. If it is not visible, you will need to tap on the I button right here to view your private key. You will be able to see the alphanumeric address of the private key and a QR code. Simply tap on copy private key and the private key will be copied successfully. At the bottom, you will be able to see some information. Here it says, do not take screenshots of this private key to avoid being intercepted by malware. You will need to write it down and save the private key correctly. So by following these steps, you should be able to get private key on SafePal. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.